Hey, welcome to Game Layer,
Alive.
where we explore the science of play and the quest of learning. Season 2 kicks off the same way Season 1 ended, with a set of micro-episodes, recording live in the city of University City, Missouri, in partnership with the Balsa Foundation. Please join me in welcoming the 2025 summer recipients of the Balsa Grant down to the Game Layer.
I'd like to move to the domain of play.
I like your socks.
Oh, thank you.
What socks? Hey, would you like to go ahead and introduce yourself?
Yes, absolutely. I am Jaynet Morgan. I am the owner of Graze and Grace Charcuterie.
Okay. And what product or service does the Grace Charcuterie provide?
Yeah, we provide a mobile charcuterie service. We support all type of events from birthday parties to cocktail hours to weddings, and we provide an interactive service for you and your guests.
I heard you speak a couple weeks ago, and it sounded like you were almost moving into the training space a little bit.
Absolutely. I'm so
How did
excited
that
about.
happen? Because
Oh my
this is kind of
gosh.
a training show. I wanted to ask.
Absolutely. So when you think you're doing one aspect of your business, something else comes along. I
Right.
was actually reached out to, someone Googled me
Okay.
and asked me to support a company event.
Uh-huh.
And so they wanted to have charcuterie classes available for their guests. So moving into teaching.
How did that go? Yeah, I want to hear all
It's
about
actually
that.
this Saturday. So
Oh, it hasn't happened yet.
I'm excited and prepping for it. And so
Exciting.
teaching is my area as well. So
Oh, is
I'm
it?
super excited to blend both.
Yeah, I can see that. Okay. So what
Absolutely.
sort of teaching or what capacity of teaching did you do?
Training all of my life. I've been in human resources. So I've always, my 9 to 5, being a benefits specialist, I'm always teaching and guiding employees, teaching in my church, teaching at home to my children. And so I just love the aspect of training.
Yeah.
And so excited to intertwine charcuterie with that as well.
It's just gonna fit, isn't it?
Yes.
So, how was launching the business similar to leveling up in a video game?
My gosh. So we are a household that loves video games.
All
We are
right.
Nintendo and Super Mario
I
fans.
love it.
And so when I think about my business, you have to gather, and in order to move to the next level, there's certain things that you need. And when you try to go ahead of those things, it can always bring you back to point A. And so taking your time,
Yeah.
need to collect all those coins before you advance.
That's exactly right. So, if this business were something that you had to learn to play, what do you think would be your first move?
I would say absolutely validation. And that is something that I didn't do at first per se. A lot of us have gifts and talents, and so we just jump right into our business. We want to make money and
Yeah.
share our gifts with others, but it's really important to validate your business, learning who needs your product, finding out what your niche is, understanding who your company is and what your why is all the pieces that you need to be successful.
So, the validation is having a better understanding of the need
Better
or
understanding, yes,
your customer
absolutely.
base, maybe?
Customer base, your niche, your why of what you're doing. How are you helping by serving others? What does your business bring to others?
Okay.
Not just jumping, headfirst into your giftings, which is great and it can carry you far. But when you're making it a business and not a hobby, you need to understand where you fall in place and how you're going to succeed with others.
You've paused and pivoted already, right? Didn't you start with charcuterie carts?
Charcuterie carts.
Wasn't that how it started?
That
Okay.
is my main business, the cart service.
Interesting.
And it's really based off of me being a part of events, a part of gathering people together, breaking bread and being a service to others. And within that, I've started Graze to Go, which
Okay.
are the charcuterie boards and boxes. So a lot of people love small bites and taking the stress off of their events by using the service.
I'm gonna go out on a limb here. I heard a rumor that you all kind of did an event together. Has that happened yet? Like the cohort with the Balsa group came together and everyone kind of had a piece of the puzzle.
Piece of the puzzle.
Did
We
that
are
happen?
planning. Hasn't happened yet, but we
Okay.
are definitely planning that. So
Yeah.
all of the grant winners, we're going to come together as an
Okay.
alumni team and invite others so that they can come and learn about our businesses and that we can
Okay.
share what we can do for others.
And then are you gonna provide charcuteries at that
I'm going
event?
to have samples of the charcuterie, have the card here. Um,
Make sure I get my invitation.
Absolutely. I want you to be my first customer.
I will take you up on that offer. Thank you so much for your
Awesome.
time. I
Thank you
appreciate
so
it.
much. I appreciate
Yeah.
this.
Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Game Layer. This is David Colmer reminding you to stay present and never postpone joy. You can find transcripts of the show at gamelayer.fm. GAMELAYER.fm. Theme music by Caleb Willits. Thanks for listening. Now go Play.
I play chess.
I play Scrabble.
I play fauteuil.
I play everything.
Hide and seek with my kids.
I play the piano.
I play board games.
I play guitar.
I smash it on the pitch.
I play chess.
I play Othello.
I play all the Marios.
I play Success Strategist.
I play Street Fighter.
Final Fantasy.
I play games of my own invention. Games of my own invention. Games of my own invention. Games of my own invention.
There are many ways to play. Going for a walk together, doing nothing together is also playing. Anything that can cultivate your feeling of joy, relaxation, where you feel more recharged after doing that thing, and I think you can consider as something that we play with. I'd like to move to the domain of play